हमारे लिए खरीदा हुआ खाना आपको दे रहे हैं and you're saying no.
सारा जल्दी जल्दी बच्चे पैदा कर।
मेरा घर
Thank you, my baby.
It's not a transactional Christmas. Sasta life doesn't suit me.
Oh my God!
My hands are paining with all these letter writing. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of where we are not hustling because it's the end of the year, but it's Christmas vlog and I am ready very simply on a self skincare. Actually, only moisturizer. I just put a face mask, washed it off and put moisturizer because I'm getting a few breakouts that I'm not liking. So मैंने makeup नहीं किया है. We are going to Nanu's house. We are going to Nanu's house for a sleepover. Mummy, me and Reet, three of us are going. Sabbu celebrating Christmas with her in-laws. So she's there. She's gonna meet us tomorrow. So the plan of action for our Christmas this year is that Christmas Eve हम नानी के घर जा रहे हैं. नानी के घर के बाद हम जाएंगे mass tomorrow morning with Nanu because English mass in Mud Island is in the morning. So tonight they have midnight में Marathi mass or Konkani I think and Reet और मुझे समझेगा नहीं. So that's why we are going for tomorrow morning mass and then we'll eat lunch with Nanu in Mud Island and bring Nanu and come to our house over here. In the Sara Squad home we'll have a dinner where Larissa will come, Sabbu will come, Papa will be there, everyone will be there. Papa is gone for a wedding today so tonight he's not joining us but tomorrow he'll be with us. So that's the plan of action. Of course we're taking Faju, Satyam, Chotu, all the party, Bacha party gang is coming with us. Faju को बोल दिया तो Faju is super excited to go. वक्त क्या आया मेरा बच्चों भी खाना खा लिया और Faju wants to go for his Christmas. And then Nanu hush. फज्जू को नानी के घर पे लेके जाने में बहुत डर लगता है because whenever he goes he falls sick and come because वहाँ पे इतने सारे दूसरे डॉगीज हैं and उसको उधर जाके कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है. Anyway, I am ready and I'm gonna show you my outfit. I'm very excited for my outfit. This is a simple fit. It's a white bodysuit with a red skirt but so classic and such good quality because this is my creative friend Akanksha Community's brand. It's called A Cute and what a cute bodysuit. I love it. The fabric, you guys, it's like makhan on the body. It's such a good fabric the way it's sculpting. It's a bodysuit. मैंने नीचे buttons लगाए भी नहीं है. I've just left it loose and look at the fitting. It's so good. You don't even need to snap the bodysuit नीचे. I didn't want to because I'm PMSing so I'm a little bloated. So I was like, I don't want to have like the tight fitting bodysuit. So I just wore it like a top with this red skirt from a dress that I have. My room's a mess in the back so please ignore. Let's go to Nani's house. Also this is the lipstick I'm wearing. I'm sure you're gonna ask me. This is Faye Beauty's Lip Whip in the shade Revenge. I think it's such a good red. I'm gonna pack this also with me. Tomorrow though I'm wearing green so I don't think a red lip will be. I don't think I need it tomorrow. I'm leaving the building and I don't know why I have this feeling that I'm forgetting something. हम लोग नानी घर पे sleepover के लिए जा रहे हैं तो बहुत कुछ लिया है. I've taken my outfit for mass. I've taken night suit, कपड़े, फज का खाना, everything. But still ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ भूल रही हूँ. पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है. अजीब सी feeling आ रही है मुझे Christmas Eve पे. By the way, I've taken off work today and tomorrow 2 दिन का छुट्टी लिया है मैंने काम पे से. Of course, it's Christmas, right? कल तो वैसे भी छुट्टी है सबकी. But आज भी छुट्टी ली ताकि I can just rest and relax and feel like it's the end of the year because I'm not feeling like the year is ending. My mother is going to be so angry at me कि हमने बहुत late कर दिया. Actually, Reet is to be picked up and then my mother is to be picked up. So भूख लग रही है मुझे एक्चुअली. अब मैं मम्मी को बोलूंगी ना भूख लग रही है तो मेरे को मारेगी क्योंकि वो कब से बोल रही है निकल. मैंने बहुत लेट कर दिया. It's 8:45. We will reach Nani's house at 9:45. So late. What?
For you, hold this.
So many things.
Reet has. Hold this.
Reet is making it very late, don't you think?
Yeah.
I think we should just leave him. Let's just go.
You also made it late. Only.
I didn't make it late. I had a son and his where is he gone? Hello. His packing needed to be done. See, after everything also Faji, we forgot your bowl. That's what I was thinking. I forgot KFC se bucket liya. How he'll put his face in the bucket he's putting? Faju gets very thirsty because he has CKD and we don't forget his water but we forgot his bowl. उसने डिनर कर लिया ना तो उसको लगा होगा वाटी नहीं चाहिए. थोड़ा बकेट ऊपर से फाड़ दो ना. दो
पड़ जाएगा अभी बकेट. और पानी भरती हूँ ना. पानी लगेगा उसको 1 बॉटल पूरे रास्ते.
और लाओ बॉटल्स.
नहीं बस और 1 बॉटल
टपरी से ले लेंगे आगे. इधर there's KFC and all. Reet is buying some chicken. Guys, I forgot a lot of things. I forgot my supplements. I forgot Faju's bowl.
Because
I
you're
forgot.
not used to going for a stay night.
Yeah, I'm not used to going to
Night
Nanu's
stay.
house for stay,
Yeah.
which is so strange because पहले हम लोग हर summer holiday, winter holiday
समर क्या हर सैटरडे संडे अपन वहाँ
नानी के घर पे होते थे. Now we barely go go to Nanu's house. And this was actually Reed's idea, where he was like, we should go to your Nanu's house. And I was like, wow, I have not gone to Nani's house to stay in ages. So we're going Nanu house sleepover. We're eating KFC in the car before we reach Nanu's house because Nanu's house drive is very long. This is their new Cheeza, which is chicken pizza.
It's not new, but yeah.
New to me. Eat this.
Pizza Hut की तरफ बेचारा कोई देखता भी नहीं है यार. It used to be such a family restaurant, no?
It used to be so good.
Yeah.
And Lokhanda, we had a big
उन
pizza.
लोग का मसाला lemonade जो that
The garlic bread of pizza. We used to go so much as a family to Pizza Hut.
No, sorry. McDonald's and Pizza Hut. McDonald's survived. Pizza Hut couldn't.
Like Pizza Hut used to be so gourmet level as compared to Domino's. It was a family restaurant. It had seating. I've had birthdays in Pizza Hut. And there was seating always. There was so much option. Garlic bread slapped. Now Pizza Hut doesn't slap the same way. It's like if you make see the quality of that garlic bread sticks. It's like Domino's wala. But it's not Domino's pricing. I didn't bring my red lipstick. And now, sometimes you give these people food who come on the door and they say no. And I'm like, what the hell? What do you want a menu to choose from? Yeah.
अरे so it's you offer तुम्हारा काम है offer करना तुमने दिया अभी उनको नहीं लेना है तो it's okay your conscience is clear.
No, yeah, I know our conscience is clear, but it's like हम हमारे लिए खरीदा हुआ खाना आपको दे रहे हैं and you're saying no. Okay, let's go guys.
Many hours later.
दोनों कुत्ते भौंक रहे हैं. इधर ये भौंक रहा है, उधर वो भौंक रहा है. Yes, Faji, you also bark. ये ट्रीको क्या हो गया? ये ऐसा क्यों है आड़ा तेरा? Hello. So much traffic and बकवास रास्ता.
Merry Christmas.
यार बराबर टाइम. Merry Christmas.
एकदम टाइम पे आया ना.
टाइम पे आया.
Fajushni, what Dada got you? What Dada got you? New Christmas toy. Okay, Faju's Christmas is started. He got his new toy. Faju got his new toy.
She sent Ishan.
Coco Auntie sent sweets. This is my favorite sweet box we get every year from Coco Auntie. See, she sent with my name, so that means it's filled with marzipan. But tomorrow we are going to her house, right?
Yes.
भाजी देगा खाली और कुछ नहीं. चिकन.
चिकन फ्राई. देखो.
Usually we go midnight mass, no Nanu?
या बाबा.
Are you missing your midnight mass gang?
ये नए साल में हम लोग बैंड्रा गए थे.
हाँ, तो तुमको याद नहीं है?
तो बोलता फिर हम लोग को इधर से गए थे बोलते हैं.
बैंड्रा गया था. मम्मी कुछ और बोल रहा था. I think तुम नानी को ईस्टर पे लेके गई थी मम्मी.
देखो फोटोज बता दूं.
रिट्रीट.
रिट्रीट.
हाँ, बट लास्ट ईयर अपन बैंड्रा गया था.
लास्ट ईयर गया था बैंड्रा.
मिडनाइट मास को इडली चिकन
तेंडली तुम्हारे लिए बने हम.
थैंक यू नाना.
तुम्हारे
आई लव नाना.
तुमको भाजी बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
यू वांट तेंडली भाजी और देखी मम्मी देखी तो भाजी नहीं खाता है. तेंडली भाजी नो.
ये पीस लो बड़ा.
नहीं वो लेग पीस उसको खाने का.
खाने दे हाय इसमें हाय.
या लेग पीसेस फॉर मी.
Merry Christmas.
देख रहा था टाइम.
एकदम I was looking at my clock. The second it said Merry Christmas.
Yes. Love you so much. Thank you for being a part of our family. Of course. Merry Christmas, Mama. Merry Christmas. I have been with my mother every year, you know that, for Christmas.
Yes.
I am so lucky.
So am I. Where I go. After Paris, I went after Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
आप लोग क्या करता है देखता है वो.
सारा जल्दी बच्चे पैदा करो.
Oh my God, यार शादी होने के लक्षण नहीं लग रहे हैं लड़के के. बच्चे पैदा कर.
एक मम्मा विश मेरी क्रिसमस.
बाजू को मुंह हो गया छोटा.
छोटो हो गया.
वो एकदम शॉक में आ गया कि मेरे को क्या कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, why are they wishing me? It's not my birthday. Faju, not your birthday and you got gifts also.
The next day.
Oh, sweet, you're looking. Waiting for lunch. We're going to the gym and coming soon. We're going to the gym, okay? Coming soon. Gym, you can't come, no, babu? Gym. Good boy. Goodbye, Baji. Coming soon, okay, mama? Love you. Good morning, guys. Let's go. हाँ कम गाड़ी का चाबी लिया लेट्स गो गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस मेरी क्रिसमस वी आर गोइंग फॉर मॉर्निंग मास इन मड आइलैंड मेरी लिपस्टिक जा रही है तो मैं सत्यम से लिपस्टिक मंगा रही हूँ नानी किट करेंगे बिकॉज लेट हो जाएंगे एंड यू नो व्हाट द फन पार्ट इज दैट वी केम एंड मेरी गाड़ी में बिल्कुल पेट्रोल नहीं है एंड मड आइलैंड में पेट्रोल पंप नहीं है
पहुंच जाए तो
चर्च पहुंच जाएंगे उसके बाद और कहाँ जाना है लंच के लिए जाना है वहाँ पहुंच रीत की आईज ब्राउन है की आंखें दिख रही है रीत इज हैविंग अ हार्ड टाइम ब्रीदिंग इट्स ओके यू गो डाउन आई एम कमिंग लिपस्टिक लगा के यू इज लाइक मुझे नहीं लेके जा रहे वी आर कमिंग वी टेक यू आफ्टर दैट वी डोंट हैव पार्किंग इन आवर बंगलोज कंपाउंड सो वी यूज द पार्किंग शेड इन द नेबरिंग बंगलो कंपाउंड लुक एट ब्लैकी ही कम्स एवरीवेयर नानी नेम्स द dog exactly how they look Blackie Spotty Brownie I kept the up now house is that but we don't have parking so I use their parking when I come here let's go Reet has chronic asthma issue and so all the pollen in Mud Island and the purana bed sheet takya hum log raat ko nikale he got a major flare up so he got a pump now you travel with your pump everywhere baba
No, I do, but I didn't think यहाँ लगेगा.
यहाँ पे नानी एक ही जन रहते हैं ना तो she doesn't remove these bed sheets and all.
ये ऑटो वालों को इतना वो होता है ना इधर.
Feeling better?
Yeah, much better.
Make my mother make her run.
Stop. खोलो. अरे यार.
कैसे करता है बता रहा है
I thought you'll walk and come.
ना मैं रिक्शा पकड़ के चली जाती थी
Oh my god.
तो मेरा गांव है यहाँ पे तो तेरा कुछ चलता ही नहीं है
Oh my god.
Many hours later.
टीसो वाला.
You can come this side. I have to shoot. Very good.
Look at it. Merry Christmas. Give me on. Merry Christmas. You went and took pictures, no? That's why you were taking pictures.
Look at his shoes.
Cutie pootie kitty. Say Merry Christmas to the camera. Say Merry Ishiko, you know I bought Reet uncle same color shirt. He could have twinned with you. Now you could have twinned with him.
I will.
Now evening wear. Now you'll change in the evening. Evening he has to twin with me. This is what is this blackmail ka this. Mummy got up to wish Ishan. She didn't get up to wish her husband, but she got up to wish Ishan. Ishan, you didn't wish Big Nanu. Big Nanu. Who'll wish Big Nanu?
Go from here.
Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Ishan is sitting in a high chair. Hey, nahi, uska sir. Oh my god, Abhi. You're too big for this high chair. Wait. Oh my god, Ishan. अब निकलेगा नहीं है तू? Now you're locked. Now this is your jail. Now you have to eat jail का खाना.
Sit there.
Don't put the head thing. Don't put the head thing. हाँ. Okay, Ishan, we'll not put that. You eat on this table. Only use this chair. As if वो बहुत खाना खाता है. You want French fries? What you want? Juice? Tell me what you want to eat.
It's buffet.
Yeah, I ordered 2 white chicken for you, 2 red chicken for you, 1 murg makhni, lots of bread.
You want juice? I knew it. You want.
I asked you no if you want juice. Why you're not telling me? This white shoe I want, Reet. Like this white.
Air Max.
Only plain white.
One eternity later.
Where we left you? Yay! How's your show clean, Satya? Amazing. Look who's already here. We are not even ready. You're like really early for a Merry Christmas.
I came from one party to another.
The sun is setting and our first house guests are here before we are even ready. What is this behavior? Christmas behavior.
We want only.
Larissa coming early is like...
It is possible.
It's not at all possible, please. Sabrina, you saw Ishan cycle? Come.
Oh my god.
We've kept it in the bathroom so that Ishan doesn't demand for it.
It's so cute.
He's my secret Santa. I'm his secret Santa.
Yes, you are. He is your secret baby.
No, the minute she said, जैसे मैं मिला she's like, I
I'm
have
going
the
to
easiest
buy
for
them.
some.
Yeah, so she told me the same thing. I was like, Ishan मिला इसको. छुपा
छुपाने का जगह मस्त है तुम्हारा कुछ भी
So because Ishan came and he was like, "Where's my gift? Where's my gift? Where's my gift?"
First thing he asked,
Because already Reet is so mufat. No, he's like, Ishan, what we got you for gift?
No, so I
Guess your gift.
I asked him to guess. To
so did he guess it?
No.
No, he didn't.
I asked
But
him.
you should have wrapped it, man. They do it. They wrap the whole shit.
Mummy is like, if he doesn't like, then exchange. No, so no wrapping paper.
I
Only
don't
one
think-
bow she's put
Look,
on.
I don't think he will not like.
I need to change. I need to do my makeup. I'm not ready for my party, and my guests are here.
Full house, they know all the game.
Hey, you do one thing. You gift wrap this and keep it for him. I want to see his reaction and then get him the
Okay,
actual
very
thing
good,
from him.
smart. Tell Satyam to wrap this.
You already told him it has a wheel.
Listen.
It's a wheel.
so
It looks like a wheel.
So you
We'll tell him check ही चलाओ.
and write to ईशान से बड़े में and उसको बोल ये तेरा फर्स्ट व्हील है करके फिर उसके बाद ना जब वो उसका रिएक्शन फिर उसका साइकिल नहीं होएगा
बच्चे लोग गुस्सा नहीं होते.
करता है वो गुस्सा he will look at Sabrina he will be like ये क्या दिया इसको इसको
ये तो कुछ और निकला है.
jump
ये सर्कस का कुत्ता नहीं जंप जा. You put no mascara like your sister. Where you going gone.
so afraid
A lot put in your eyes. Wait, I'm skilled at this. First, let us eat a little.
no first eating saying thank you for so many things and then opening the gifts
Understood? Read. You know nothing.
Sorry, I come in from village.
Look at Nanu's well dressed for every Christmas.
पहिला तुम्हाला शादी करो आणि बाद में
फिर मैं शादी कर रहा
Oh my God.
Catholic boy.
Catholic boy yes. You look like
I want. Nana asking. I want Catholic boy.
लग रहा है.
मेरे अंदर से आना
ये रीत और लैरिसा सबको इधर ही अटका के रख रहा है. अंदर ही नहीं आने दे रहा है.
I tell me one thing she used to call him Ruth first
Yeah, Ruth. He's looking like one Mangalorean Catholic boy, no, today?
Yes.
है ना? पक्का. Guys, I am also ready. I was going to film it, but बहुत कुछ चल रहा है घर पे. ये मेहमान बहुत जल्दी आ गए actually. तो हमारा पूरा shake up हो गया routine. Yes, very good. जल्दी आए, very good. Satyam is also wearing his Christmas dress. Satyam outfit दिखाओ हमको. आजा सत्यम का outfit देखो guys. क्या handsome लग रहा है सत्यम. I got his Christmas present, white shirt, because he always wears such jhatak colors. Nice he's looking. No?
Yeah, politician लग रहा है एकदम इलेक्शन लड़ने के लिए तैयार है वो
अभी तो सत्यम में okay, gifts भी pack हो रहे हैं. This is my outfit. This is Reet's outfit. He's not twinning with me this year. आज वो बस मेरे against ही है. सुबह I wore green, तो he wore red. अभी he wore green, I wore red.
How's this green?
It's green, right, guys? It's a shade of green.
It's grey. It's bluish grey.
मैं hot लग रही हूँ एकदम ये ड्रेस में जो मैंने खरीदा है. मिस मोसा ऑफिस इशू भी उड़ गया. ईशान सो रहा था. So the update is that everybody is woken up, everybody's ready, but everybody's been getting ready, and it's 8 o'clock and I'm having coffee right now because मेरी शाम की कॉफी भी नहीं हुई है और मैं रात को सोई भी नहीं हूँ बराबर because Reet was wheezing due to his asthma, so I didn't sleep properly. And this is what the fit looks like in the mirror. Gift opening time is happening. Come on, wait. Can you see? Because I've put. Yes, Ishan, go for it. Masi is your secret Santa.
And what did you buy for Masi?
Nothing, because he's not my secret Santa.
How is it?
It's a hula hoop. Is this gift? Yes, Ishan, I told you I'm getting you a wheel. Isn't this a wheel? And is this green in color? No. Then why I said green color? How do you use this?
Still don't know how to use it.
Show me again. Try again. But what is your gift?
Main gift is come up your scene.
Merry Christmas, Ishan. हेलो वेट. ये किसका गिफ्ट है? सब गिफ्ट तेरा तो रे.
No, this is mine.
ईशान. ओके या फ्रॉम नानू. दिखा रहा नाम मेरे को.
And this is also your gift from Masi.
This is your secret Santa green with wheels. What happened?
This is your actual gift.
Yes.
That was a dummy.
See, it has a zipper as well. See.
Do you like it? Sit on your cycle and show me.
I got excited for your cycle.
Sit on your cycle.
Cycle.
Sit on your cycle.
Sit on the cycle.
Sit on the cycle.
Are you fitting into the cycle.
Yes, sit now.
Yes.
Fit on a cycle.
Yes.
How is your cycle?
Hold.
अरे वाह!
Do I give you red lipstick, Kishi?
Yeah.
अरे तू कर
लिली आंटी नहीं है आंटी
Sylvie.
No.
No.
No. Third be wrong. Who's your? No, you can't take everyone's name.
इंसान का नाम लो.
Santa Claus came and
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
Who is auntie's secret Santa?
No.
Anwar.
Sabrina.
Sabrina.
What?
Ishan.
Nanu's is Ishan.
Ishan.
Ishu gave.
Ishu game. Go hug. आज गिरी रहा है ये बच्चा.
Give a.
No. This is from me.
ये मेरा है.
कौन है? क्या बोली मम्मी?
कि मैं थी तुम्हारी सीक्रेट सेंटा.
Oh my
बोला थोड़ी मैंने पैक किया फिर.
This is how it is in our house.
Have to open it.
Yeah, of course you know already what your gift is. Okay, then now Papa deserves another gift. हाँ? सब उठा के देखो और कौन सा है तुम्हारा गिफ्ट. थोड़ा अंदर देखो झाड़ के.
Open.
Open.
I know this.
No, you read it for yourself. Don't read it for us. We don't need the audience.
I was just doing the आत्मा कथा of it. मेरे प्यारे पप्पा. बड़े handsome थे. याद रखना आप थे handsome. अब नहीं हो.
अभी गिफ्ट बोलो.
Thank you, my baby. Love you. Gift बोलो.
कुछ लिखिए.
नहीं. फाड़ दो. We don't save wrapping paper.
My dear और बच्चा bought for me.
That means your daughter bought.
Hey, finally. iPhone. What? Expensive gift.
Because I've been telling you I'm going to get.
16 plus.
Yes.
Time for an
16
upgrade.
plus or 16 Pro.
Pro is stopped manufacturing.
Listen, do you need this?
Yeah.
I'm still waiting.
नहीं अभी से नहीं मुहूर्त नहीं आया अभी
पहले फोन कवर लेंगे
हाँ।
फिर टेम्पर्ड
ओह थैंक यू
फाइनली Yes, this is your birthday plus your Christmas.
यस
जाओ सत्यम छोटू पहले सत्यम थैंक यू
छोटू आजा.
पिंक वाला
Satyam is opening his gift. Satyam is already wearing it.
अरे खोल दे जल्दी खोल अरे कपड़ा ही कपड़ा सत्यम का कपड़ा शर्ट अच्छा है अच्छा लग रहा है
ये हम लोग जो कपड़ा ले रैप नहीं किए वो लाके दो.
हाँ यहाँ एक और है तेरी
यार
आराम से खोलना.
कोई भी अच्छा चीज हो ना.
देख तो बात. तू इतनी प्राइसी है ना तेरे सीक्रेट सेंटा ब्लैक अकाउंट ही खत्म हो गया. ठीक है.
Wow.
What is that?
Perfume.
Christina Aguilera. You are the secret Santa. Arre. Multiple gifts. You are not in budget.
Nastasia का suit.
Oh, finally. For her
Finally.
mom made it.
Yes, I wanted this, platter.
So one is for your mom made it thing and one is for you as Maya.
As a human being.
Maya like Maya
Where
Sarah.
you are going there
Thank you so much. You're my secret Santa. Oh, I knew that Larissa is my secret Santa.
How you knew?
See, I gave you Huggy Kishi.
I'm very interested to see what
I found that Masi.
First cry.
Yeah.
बच्चे का toy क्यों दियो?
Are you pregnant?
No.
no
Cutter.
no
इसको तो पहले टेंशन आ गया. Flip the box.
she knows who's her secret Santa
You know. Only you're left. Is this my stolen tennis bracelet? Is this only newspaper? Oh, you got a black bag for me. I really. You're my secret Santa.
Yes.
You're my secret Santa.
You
I really needed a black bag. Sharon is going to be very happy. So cute.
There's another
Yeah.
gift for you.
Little black bag is my Secret Santa from Sabrina. So cute.
Yes, I'm the last person on
Yes. So now you, what? Yours is Papa.
No.
Yes, who's only left?
You are my Secret Santa.
Mummy is done,
You
no?
are my Secret Santa.
Yeah, Papa.
She only must have gone unselected.
No,
You weren't unselected.
of course.
He didn't tell, I think. You told her, Robert?
No.
From me? He was not telling anyone.
But you told me कि Papa got
Lily auntie, I thought that.
Yeah, I also thought.
Because the way he was confused, we thought he was...
confused for me.
No. अरे अंकल सेड यू नो आते
Yeah.
आई डोंट मेरे को पता ही नहीं यार मैं क्या लूं सो आई थॉट लिली आंटी होगी
He said, I'm getting so scared. My
maybe you won't like it
my Secret Santa is so scary.
That's the only part about me. From Rachel Green I learned. नहीं अच्छा लगा exchange आके करा.
maybe 3
Nice यार. I wanted one shot like this. You took your wife's help क्या?
Of course.
no
Such a liar. There's only one Secret Santa, no?
This is from me.
Oh, this is some platter for this.
Yes. I wrote letter for you also. You want to read your letter?
पहले गिफ्ट खोलती हूँ.
हाँ, पहले गिफ्ट खोलती हूँ. मतलब ही औरत.
अभी है कि नहीं लेटर रीड करने
Oh
का.
my god, this woman is so materialistic.
उधर से आएगा
अगली बार मैं तुमको कुछ बनाऊंगी नहीं मैं घर
I'm
पे.
going to like it just 2 years.
Good.
Not chopping, serving.
we did Kana auntie.
Not sizzler.
You know, I had this only for her and I wanted to carve thing ऐसे कि माँ made it उसके portion size. फिर मैंने बोला इसको पसंद
I was going to
नहीं
get
आएगा.
this for Lily auntie also, but I thought she only collects. She'll not use it.
Then I was
So,
like, bro, ये इसको पसंद नहीं आता
छोटू
बहुत
देख,
जल्दी.
माँ मेरे के लिए आया.
yes, good.
तेरा अभी याद रखना.
This is only to serve.
तूने कुछ अच्छा नहीं किया.
This I bought.
This
So,
I bought
is
her
ready.
2 gifts perfume and
yeah.
Very nice.
This is like different color palette, so your videos may look good. See, this is ash brown. Yeah, this is ash brown and that is dark wood. So then your videos and photos will come.
so mom
Very
made it,
nice.
has got a good collection.
Yeah.
Yes.
Please start cooking more.
You
बेचारे cooks
can
alone.
do all that auntie. जो लंबा प्लेट अब अभी आपको जो इसमें जो चाहिए होगा you can actually put that chicken strips and all that that you make. You can all actually keep it there.
चलो next.
Reet is next. Who's your Santa?
This is Lily auntie of course क्योंकि you have given
नहीं पर पढ़ तो ले.
to read don't blame me if you love it
But now wait, don't open because you said you can guess what is there inside.
no I didn't say I can,
You
I
said.
I can guess who's my secret
No,
Santa
read you. You're flipping your words.
no
You said it.
how can I
You said I can understand who gave me what.
this is a shirt
And
this is a shirt
and
so how can I tell what happened
who get चल अच्छा random guess.
in the pocket
See, I removed the.
this is very nice yeah
Open it.
What color is it?
this is maroon
अरे अभी पहनो.
Maroon
Now
and
only change, so you can twin with me.
and I love the socks
Yeah, Larissa gives the best
are
socks.
very nice
You know, like somebody likes.
Yes.
it's very nice
Go read,
This is
wear
very
it now
nice color.
only, so
Huh?
we
Now?
can twin for pictures. No?
Acha.
Okay, wear it
Just
now.
you open it. I hope it's your size.
Don't.
Issue.
Oh, that fly is
Issue,
cute.
come here.
This is it.
Is it? हाँ, okay, yeah.
Says Sabrina. This is done. Read.
Yes, Reet is your Santa. That's Sabrina's
Thank
gift.
you so much. Yes.
Yes, because it's my choice, Sabrina. You should like it because he sent me on the mission to get. Clearly, do you think he is capable of picking that outfit for you? He was writing descriptions
so I was supposed to go and get it but
with me.
But
You,
then-
yes, as soon as you opened, Sarah, you need to help me with my gift. Okay, I can share with each other. No, who our secret Santas are. First, yeah. This is for you.
Oh my God. Are you okay?
check
Wait, come here near the tree.
Wait,
Nay, Rishan, you will not understand. Let Mama open. I want you to have a Dior unboxing. Your Dior unboxing.
There's a message first. I shall
Yes.
read the message.
Yes, read. It's going to match your outfit. You match your outfit, chal. Don't cry on your Dior unboxing day. This point of makeup, what's the point of jewelry now? Chal, I'm so excited for you. ये देख tissue paper में भी perfume होता है. मैं ये बड़ी and put it because I tried it on my ears. If it doesn't look good on your ears, then we can have 1 month exchange policy.
The Kate Spade that you bought is in the same packet. It's not even
Please
open.
use it. That's why I got you something which you can use every day also if you want. See, it's pretty.
Oh, yeah.
It's a bit larger. Look.
Wow.
It's very pretty.
It is very beautiful. You know?
Thank
Uh,
It looks nice also on your lip.
A few moments later.
We are playing chore police.
Auntie zero.
इन लोग ना सब लोग झपाटा मारे मेरे को
give
नहीं
it
मिला।
Once only you got caught and you saw this.
Got it so well.
Yeah.
प्रो रे चल ला इधर
Uncle बेचारे.
We are playing chore police. And mummy was chore in last game and she got caught.
Okay, ready?
Ready? Take Ishan, ticket. Ready, Ishan? Throw mummy today only. Sylvie can't catch one also.
पुलिस कौन?
पुलिस कौन है?
ये है पुलिस।
पुलिस है तू? वापस पुलिस है?
चल बोल मैं चोर। अब मैं चोर हूँ।
नहीं तो नहीं है।
Reverse psychology.
मोबाइल देख के बैठे ले। So we can probe people or you have to just take the name.
You can. It's a पुलिस अभी नाम कैसे निकलवाने? It's up to you.
He told you that he's the queen.
He's a queen.
He came and told you.
I know he's a queen.
Now I'm looking at you directly आप
चल जल्दी बोल. Why is everyone behind me?
मजा आता है ऐसे. रुको इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहा है अभी पुलिस ऑफिसर.
What are they doing? Eye contact.
परसों थाना का ये पुलिस है ना. रिश्वत पकड़ा रिश्वत.
It may be one or this woman. Laughing so much. This one.
दोनों
Lily auntie say or Rita this one. So fourth हो गया. What is there?
ये नहीं हो सकती मुर्गी बैठ.
पकड़ चल पकड़ के दिखा.
चोर अगर मैं तेरे को पकड़ा नहीं
तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा।
I know. Sabrina.
अरे लिली मौसी you keep quiet bro।
Brilliant हवलदार है.
Lily auntie is हवलदार truly.
बोल ना.
मेरा दिल ऐसे Sabrina.
तो बोल दे ना सबरीना तो बोल दे.
इतना टाइम लेगी तो चल गेम बाय।
Laughing ना.
Come on quickly. Okay, tick 1.
10 seconds. Last one.
Okay, tick 10.
जा बेटा घर पे जा।
तुम तीनों में से कोई चोर है हाँ या ना सिर्फ 10
ऐसा
बाकियों को
नहीं।
कैसा मालूम होगा.
बाकी के ये दो निकल गया ये भी निकल गया तुम तीनों में से कोई एक चोर है सिर्फ नॉड हाँ या ना
ऐसा कैसा कुछ और नॉट करेगा वो आंसर है. क्या बेवकूफ समझा है हमको.
बोल तू चोर है कि
सामने भी बाहर रुक जाओ ये दोनों में से
बोलना.
Read. Yeah. Take. You want to check my chittu?
अच्छा हो गया मैंने चिट्टियाँ फेंकी।
सबरीना चोर
No. Angel. No.
तू चोर थी ना
All right, you guys, that's it for a really wholesome Christmas that we had here in the Sarah Squad home for the second time. Can't believe it's been 2 years कि हम ये घर में रह रहे हैं. Like हमने ये घर साथ में बनाया था और 2 साल हो गए. This year has gone truly very fast. The 2025 was like a breeze, yet it feels like I've lived like 7 lives in this year. साल ही शुरू हुआ था जब मुझे पता चला कि कैन फिल्म फेस्टिवल होने वाला है मेरे लिए in January during my birthday. And then I was only preparing for Cannes Film Festival, went to the Cannes Film Festival, which is a huge deal as a content creator. उसके बाद YouTube Fan Fest हुआ. I walked the red carpet at YouTube Fan Fest. That was also a big high. And then the second half was the warehouse fire. The real low was that, of course, in business. That really, I've seen the lowest lows and the highest highs this year because that really broke me. That is the lowest I've felt ever. And I feel like I'm still recovering from that PTSD somewhere inside of me. And so many other things also happened in my personal life which I've not shared here, which were lows. and then I ended on my beautiful Umrah experience that, you know, was a calling from God, which I truly needed, and that really centered me and humbled me. So I think एकदम ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने 7 जीवन जी ली ये 1 साल में, इतना कुछ हो गया. I really truly hope that you all had a better year and a more simpler year with a lesser drama. But even if you did, let's hope for a better 2026. This is my last vlog of 2025, and we always head into the next year feeling positive. Even if you are not feeling hopeful, feel positive that everything will happen for a reason. I truly believe that, and I feel like you also take my life as an example for that, because even though the warehouse fire happened and such a bad calamity happened to my business, mashallah, today as I am doing this outro, we have completely sold out of our sachet box before we even launched it, and that's a hit and a high that we've again never seen in our business before. कि launch करने से पहले ही जितना माल मंगाया था सब कुछ बिक गया. Before I even put my commercial video, before I put my YouTube video announcing the launch, everything, the stock we ordered, and we ordered 2x, is all gone. So we are back into pre-orders for the batch of 2 of our assorted pack of 30 sachets, and we've also launched a new pack of 10 sachets on our website. You can check it out. It's a new blend of coffee to just make it more affordable for the people. So yeah, so many new things for Impulse Coffees, for Sara Sarosh, everything in 2026, and inshallah for you guys too. As always, I am most grateful for you guys, because y'all are there with me through my highs, through my lows, through my in-betweens, through making of houses, building of businesses, crumbling of businesses, starting from scratch, everything from outfits to business. We build everything on scratch on this channel, and aap log hamesha consistent rehte ho. So thank you for your love, thank you for your support, and thank you for just always being there for me through your positive comments, through your DMs on Instagram, through everything, for all the love you all showcase, not just to me but also to my family and everyone else who's on social media, my mother, Reet, every one of us. Thank you for all your love. I pray for all of you that in 2026 may you all get everything you've ever desired and more, and may we start on a beautiful, beautiful note. I just genuinely feel like 2026 is going to be beautiful, and I love you all so much. If you like this video, don't forget a big thumbs up. For today's video, the Sara's Ka shout goes to Suchitra Subramaniam. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part of next week's Sara's Ka shout out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. Also comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad, and just part of my next video, Sara Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video in 2026. Bye, you guys. Love you. Mwah.